What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video. It's time to unbox two new Samsung phones. We have the Galaxy J6 and J4 Plus. They're the new budget phone from Samsung with the budget prices. J6 on the right and J4 Plus on the left. As usual, the specifications are written on the back. We have Infinity Display 13/5 megapixel front LED flash on J4 Plus, Infinity Display dual camera and fingerprint scanner on J6 Plus. Let's get the unboxing started. First, we are starting with the J6 Plus. Unseal the device. Guys, it's the first unboxing video on my channel. Removing the plastic. Quickly booting up the device. Going to the second. Let's unseal the second device. Again, removing the second plastic of the device. It feels so good. All the plastic are off. Let's look at the star of the show, guys. Booting up the second device. Galaxy J4 Plus logo. Going through the setup. Agree terms and conditions of the device, both devices. We are done with the setup. Holding both devices feels so much premium with the plastic and not glass at the back. 6-inch display with the resolution of 720 by 1480p on both devices. Starting with the J6 Plus. We have Samsung experience, nothing different from previous model. Going to the settings of the device, probably it's running on Android 8.1.0. That is the latest version on this device. Remember, we don't have any always on display on both of these devices. Looking at the side of the device, we have the volume locker up and down. Going to the camera, we have 5 megapixel depth sensing for live focus and 13 megapixel at the back. Going to the settings, I'm going to test out the fingerprint. Remember, the power button acts as a fingerprint. So I'm going to test out how fast it is. Going through the initial setup of the fingerprint, just a simple pattern to demonstrate how fast the fingerprint is. Going through the process to ensure the power button capture my thumbs. As you can see, I think I'm done, almost done setting up the fingerprint in my device. I have to tap done. Let me lock the device. Press the fingerprint, the finger on the power button to see how fast it is. It's good. Going to the next device, we have the J4 Plus. As usual, Samsung experience UI, nothing else. We don't have much difference with these two devices. the same size of the screen, running on the same operating system, Android 8.1.0. The type of the security, it's only facial recognition. It's not that secure, as you know, compared to the password on the device. Checking out the similarities on both devices: the same size, the same dimension, the same grams, 178 grams. Dual SIM card support, expandable memory, the same battery capacity, that is 3300 milliamperes, USB 3.5mm jack, 6-inch display. The screen comes with an IPLCD TFT screen, not AMOLED as usual, so it's a downgrade compared to the previous model of these two devices. In the front camera of these two devices, we have 5 megapixel on J4 Plus and 8 megapixel on J6 Plus. Looking at the camera, they both have the same camera. On the back, 13 megapixel, but J6 support dual camera. The second camera is 5 megapixel depth sensing camera to do live focus, but not a telephoto. The image quality is still the same on these two devices, so we don't have much different in terms of these two cameras. Let us know what you think in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please, if you could smash that subscribe button, it will mean a lot to me. My name is Demno Tech Master. See you in the next one. Peace.